Yeah, we got the beat. Oh, hey, you caught me. Hey, listen to this. According to Cornell University researchers, music has been shown to help you eat less. Kind of crazy, huh? But we're not here to talk about music today. We're here to talk about beets, baby, and how they, like music, can aid in your weight loss. This vibrant, earthy veggie is not just something to stain your countertops and clothing. It's actually loaded with some incredible benefits to flatten your tummy, detox your liver, reduce blood pressure, and increase oxygen in your body. So what does that mean? It means having more energy, more mental clarity, more focus. You've heard me talk a lot about mitochondria back in the day, and for good reason. Mitochondria are those little gals and little guys in our body that take the nutrients from our food and convert them into energy. They are the powerhouses within your cells, generating upwards of 90% of energy in your body. And if you think about it, everything you do requires energy. So, who's ready to jump on the beet train with me? Hop on. Now, we all know how important the health of our liver is, right? It's got a huge job to do, assisting in detoxification and cleansing our blood. Well, it turns out that betaine, an amino acid found in beets, may help reduce the accumulation of fat actually in the liver. So, how does that help us with weight loss and to flatten the tummy? They are also a great source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Great for keeping your digestion on point and lowering cholesterol. They're also rich in magnesium, which aids in digestion as well as nerve and muscle function. Plus, magnesium is a natural relaxer for the body. Now, don't get too relaxed, making you tired. Absolutely amazing for stress, my friend. Beets also contain a phytonutrient called betalains, which is powerful for reducing inflammation and providing the body with antioxidants, which are also amazing for anti-aging. And that also includes excess weight, especially around your midsection. A couple things to keep in mind when it comes to beets. Number one, they stain. So be sure you're washing them in the sink. If you're a regular beet consumer, don't be scared when you go to the bathroom, and well, you may find some things that have changed a little bit, and maybe it looks like an art display or a Jackson Pollock painting in your toilet, and that is totally normal, my friend. Now, I've heard a lot of people talking about how they don't like beets. Drew, they taste like dirt. I hear this all the time. I actually used to be one of those people. You see how I did that? Until I found a way to prepare them, a way that I actually loved. So what's the magic potion to turning this powerful veggie into a superstar in your kitchen? Well, roast them up. I love roasted beets. Drizzle a little olive oil. Coconut oil works just as well. A little pink sea salt. Roast them on high for 45 to 60 minutes and voila. Miracle little things. Your body is a temple, my friend, so take care of it. You take care of you. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon. Once again.